Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to avoid no-show penalties in Instawork. So to avoid no-show penalties on Instawork, it's crucial to understand the platform's policy and make proactive steps to maintain a strong reputation. And here's a comprehensive guide on how to do that. So to get started with this, so you have to understand what constitutes a no-show. A no-show occurs when you fail to appear for a scheduled shift without cancelling in advance. This includes situations where you inform the partner of your inability to stay due to an emergency but still request clock in and out code without working. Such actions are taken serious and can lead to immediate suspension and removal from future shift. And also, as another category is to avoid no-show penalties. So make sure you cancel early when necessary. Also, utilize the 15-minute grace period and also confirm shift promptly. Also, avoid late cancellation. You also have to communicate if really late or if running late. You also have to maintain your professional conduct during the shift. And also, here's the consequence of no-show. So one of the most consequence of no-show is it leads to immediate suspension, extended suspension, and potential deactivation. So you just have to look out to that in order to avoid no-show. And here's the benefit of maintaining reliability. So consistency show for shift and adherence to Instawork policy can make you eligible for the top pro programs which can be offered within the app. So for example, you can get access to priority access to sheet and bonus pay, which is up to 25% extra on your selected shift, and also recognition you receive budget on your profile, enhancing your visibility to partners. And that's it.